You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Swiss-Belgian cocoa and chocolate company brand. For more names of different chocolate brands, stay tuned. We've got many here. French pronunciation, Barry Callebaut. Callebaut. The T is silent. Barry Callebaut. English pronunciation, Barry Callebaut. Barry Callebaut Chocolate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.